specific concepts of physical beauty in women are ever-changing, idealization of the male face has remained relatively stagnant. This is partially due to the fact that society places more emphasis on female beauty and there are more beauty products on the market targeted to women. When analyzing the male face before our treatments, we should consider whether to restore or enhance facial structures. Structural differences of the male face must be respected during any aesthetic procedures. For example, the male cheek must be filled evenly to avoid feminization of the face. The aesthetics approach for men is though different to that for women, and in any case we should respect the male anatomy and try to avoid feminization.